Very good morning, students. I, Seth Patel, welcome you to study from home. In my previous class, I discussed about Jasma's dream, help arrive. Partially, I talk about natural calamities. Now, you all know what is earthquake. Now, how earthquake occurred when the molten magma tried to come out. Okay, from the inside the earth. When molten magma tried to come out inside the earth, then sudden movement, it caused sudden movement, and that sudden movement is called earthquake, right? What will you do? People from the group also made the children in Jasma's school practice what they should do in case there is an earthquake. This is what they say. Now, what will you do? What we can do to escape from the earthquake? Now, first of all, we can escape from the house, okay, and take a support of open ground or open field where there are no, electricity wire, where there are no, tall buildings, or where there are no pillars, okay, completely and totally open ground. We can take support of open ground, or if we are not able to escape from the house, then we can take a support of hard thing like table, bed, right? And we can tie the table or bed, we can hold that table or this bed tied with hand that they cannot sleep, okay. If possible, leave the house and go and open ground, as I told you. If you cannot go out the house, lie down under the strong thing like a table and hold on tightly so it does not slip away. Wait until the shaking stop. Right? Now here is a question: have you been told in your school or anywhere else about what to do in case of earthquake? Right? As I told you, we are supposed to, we have to escape and take support of open ground. We can hide ourselves under the strong object like table and bedsheet. Now my next question: why do you think one should go under a table during an earthquake? Now this is important question. See, during an earthquake, sometime what happened? The ceiling started falling, so it won't damage your head or it won't damage your body. For that reason, you are supposed to cover yourself with cover with hard table or bed, and you have to wait until the earthquake stop, right? Who helped? Read this report on the Bhuj earthquake. Now let me read this report. Ahmedabad, January 26, 2001. At least 1,000 people are feared death in earthquake that struck Gujarat this morning. Many thousands have been injured. Army Jawan have been called to help. At least 150 buildings have fallen in city of Ahmedabad. In this, there are dozen multi-stored buildings. By this evening, around 250 bodies have been removed from the building. It is feared that several thousand people may still be trapped. Right? Rescue effort are on. There is perhaps no building in city which has not developed crack. So almost all building develop crack. Even my house also develop cracks after the earthquake. Okay, the situation in Bhuj is even more worse. Why the situation in Bhuj is more worse? Because Bhuj is an existing point, right? So people are running around in shock and panic. Within an hour of the earthquake, the fire engines had reached and started working along with the local people. Offer to help are coming from all corners of the country and abroad. Right? Not only people of India, but the country around the world help this, victims. Like help the people who experience the earthquake, like America, Britain, no, and people from different country, like they are Indian. So as a attachment, as a being Indian, they help these people. According to TV report, thousands of people were injured and some died in Gujarat. Okay, so if the building had been made in way that they would not fall in earthquake, would the damage have been different? How? Okay, like let me tell you one thing. Some country hit earthquake every now and then, like twice or thrice in a year. Like for example, Japan, as we have very recent example of Fukushima in Japan, like hit by earthquake. So generally, people construct their house with a light and thin material, so they won't trap under the houses. Okay, at at time like this, when people have lost their homes and their belongings, what kind of help would they need? Okay, they need medicine, they need food, they need clothes, they need temporary tent. Okay, and they need primary treatment like first aid box. Okay, they need blankets, they need blanket during winter season, but in summer blanket, uh, they need not blanket, but in when the earthquake occur in monsoon or in rainy season, they require raincoat or a tent which can prevent water to come inside. Okay, in such situation, whose help would be needed for what? Write in your notebook as here, like open page number 136, and you are supposed to do by yourself. But in such situation, generally people expect help from the government, right? Why from the government? Just because government is a body which is work for public interest, and anyway we elect them for our convenience, for ourselves. So generally public expect help from the government, and government should help in terms of medical, in terms of money, in terms of food, in terms of first aid box, in terms of nurses and medical staff. Okay, now let's discuss few questions. Have you ever seen people in your area helping each other when? Okay, generally you won't experience this kind of disaster, earthquake, but generally in a situation of flood, okay, when streets and cities hit by water, or the level of water is high, at that time we cannot go outside and we cannot buy vegetable, milk and all. So some group, they ask house to house and help each other, right, in situation of flood. Okay, in a time of lockdown, someone, so maybe your neighbor asks you that they are going to buy vegetables, so they also can bring for you. So in the situation, in those situation, our neighbor, okay, and our friend help, we also help other. Why do people live together in a neighborhood? This is the main question. Why people live in a neighborhood, or why people live in a group? Because they can help each other in times of trouble. That's why they live together in neighborhood. Student, it's not developed society, but if you talk about tribal society, they also live in a group, right? No person can survive alone. Okay, so we live in a group, or we live in a neighbor just because to help in the time of trouble. People face lots of difficulties when they people from their family or their house and belongings. In news paper of the last 1 month, look for a new news related to such disaster, earthquake, flood, fire, cyclone, etc. in different part of the world. Collect the news reports and paste them in your notebook. Okay, student, you need not to search your paper again and again. These days we are facing the problem of pandemic of corona. This is also, see, pandemic and epidemic is also natural disaster, right? So we are facing this problem. So every now and then, in fact, every day you read about 2 to 3 deaths. Not 2 to 3 deaths, but more than that. Okay. Now you have to, make a news report. Make your own report. It's on page number 137. Your points are given on that page. Cause of disaster, date and time. So you can refer this, earthquake of 2000. What kind of damage did it cause to lives, to belong to livelihood? It is not mandatory that you are supposed to make the disaster earthquake, but you also can, mention some other disaster like tsunami, cyclone, okay, flood, drought, okay, famine. Which people came forward to help? Which government offices or other groups? Okay. If there is no rain, crops can fail and there can be drought. But food for people can be brought from other places so that there is no famine, which means people don't have to stay hungry and they don't die hunger. So it is not a condition of famine, but it is drought, okay, in which people won't get water for drinking. Okay, let me give you an example of 2014. In that year, Maharashtra faced the shortage of water, that there was no rain. Okay, not less, but there was no rain, not even single drop of rain in the area of Maharashtra like Akola, Nagpur, Manmad, Jalgaon, and other places of Maharashtra. So people face lots of difficulty. Their crops have been failed, right? See, it's not like Gujarat, that in a Gujarat we have a very good canal irrigation system. Like we can we can deliver water from one place to another place. We can send the water through this canal. Okay, canal is a pathway to supply water at a different place. So we can survive somehow. We can survive in this situation. But Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and other states are totally dependent on rainfall. They don't have irrigation system. They don't have dam system. They don't have canal system. Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. So their farming and the farmer of that states are totally depend on rain. So there is a big problem of this shortage of water if less rainfall. Have people in your area ever got affected by famine or drought? Find such report of different countries from newspaper. Make your own report. Okay, so you have to just refer, as I already given you an example of 2014. You may need some help from this in case of accidental emergency. Find out and write their address and phone number and more names on. Okay, so these are some activity which you can find on page number 137. Now, difficult time. Okay, you are supposed to write about difficult time. So you can choose any topic. You can tell your experience as well. Okay. let me just read. Okay, flood, river water, injured people, food packet, rescue. These are some points. Camping, camps, dead bodies, dead animal floating in water. So this is you are supposed to emphasize this point and write a report on flood. Okay. Now we have learned different kinds of natural calamities like earthquake, cyclone, famine, drought, and all. So I already explained you how to escape from the earthquake. Now what is earthquake? Sudden movement of earth. Okay, I will repeat myself once again. Then what is earthquake? Earthquake is sudden movement of earth. That is known as an earthquake. And I already told you how to escape. Either you can take support of open ground or you can hide yourself under the solid thing. So student, this is all for today.